Think you're smart? Let's find out. Welcome to the Ultimate General Knowledge Quiz. You have 5 seconds per question. Feel free to pause if you need extra time. Drop your score in the comments. How many can you get right? Subscribe for more brain-bending quizzes. Share and challenge your friends. Ready? Let's go!
In which field did the Indian mathematician Ramanujan make significant contributions? Let's take a look at the options: geometry, algebra, or number theory. The correct answer is number theory. Ramanujan is celebrated for his profound discoveries in number theory, a field where his intuition and insight remain legendary. What is the primary function of the mitochondria in cells? Your choice is protein synthesis, energy production, or DNA replication. The answer is energy production. Mitochondria are often called the powerhouses of the cell because they generate most of the cell's energy through respiration. Which U.S. state is home to the longest cave system in the world? Listen to the options carefully: Kentucky, Arizona, or Colorado. The right answer is Kentucky. Mammoth Cave in Kentucky is the longest known cave system on Earth, stretching over 400 miles. What is the main component of natural gas? Choose from butane, methane, or propane. And the answer is methane. Natural gas is primarily made up of methane, a clean-burning fossil fuel used widely for heating and energy. Who was the Greek god of war? Think about Apollo, Ares, or Hermes. He was Ares. In Greek mythology, Ares is known as the god of war, representing the brutal and violent aspects of battle. Which element is essential for the formation of rust? Was it oxygen, carbon, or nitrogen? The element is oxygen. Rust is a product of oxidation. When iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of water, it forms iron oxide, commonly known as rust. What is the art of folding paper into shapes called? Here are the possibilities: origami, ikebana, or kirigami. And the right answer is origami. Origami is the traditional Japanese art of paper folding, transforming a flat sheet of paper into a finished sculpture without cuts or glue. Which city is known as the City of Light? Is it Paris, Rome, or Berlin? The City of Light is Paris. Paris earned this nickname during the Age of Enlightenment and was one of the first cities to adopt street lighting. In music, how many notes are in a standard octave? Your options: 6, 7, or 8. The correct answer is 8. A standard musical octave spans 8 notes, from one note up to its next occurrence, such as from C to C. Which Italian city is famous for its canals? Here are the choices: Venice, Florence, or Naples. And the correct response is Venice. Venice is world-renowned for its network of canals and gondolas built across over 100 small islands. Which branch of science deals with the study of forces and motion? Pick one: chemistry, physics, or biology. The right answer is physics. Physics explores the fundamental forces of nature and the laws that govern motion, energy, and matter. Which planet is known as the morning star? Choose from the following: Mars, Venus, or Mercury. The correct one is Venus. Venus is often visible just before sunrise and is one of the brightest objects in the sky, earning it the name morning star. What is the term for a triangle with two equal sides? The options: equilateral, scalene, or isosceles. The answer is isosceles. An isosceles triangle has exactly two sides of equal length and two equal angles opposite those sides. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? Your choice is Pacific, Indian, or Atlantic. That's right, it's Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean stretches between Africa, Asia, and Australia, making it the third largest ocean in the world. What is the term for words that sound the same but have different meanings? Here are the options: synonyms, antonyms, or homophones. And the answer is homophones. Homophones are words like pair and pear. They sound alike, but have different spellings and meanings. What is the currency of Switzerland? Could it be euro, franc, or krona? And the correct answer is franc. Switzerland uses the Swiss franc, abbreviated CHF, which is known for its stability and strength. Who was the first black president of South Africa? Your options: Nelson Mandela, Desmond Tutu, or Jacob Zuma. The correct answer is Nelson Mandela. Mandela was elected president in 1994, marking the end of apartheid and the beginning of multiracial democracy in South Africa. What is the name of the world's highest waterfall? The possible answers: Iguazu Falls, Angel Falls, or Victoria Falls. The name is Angel Falls. Located in Venezuela, Angel Falls plunges over 3,200 feet, making it the tallest uninterrupted waterfall on Earth. Who is known as the father of geometry? Let's go through the options: Pythagoras, Archimedes, or Euclid. The correct one is Euclid. Euclid's mathematical works, especially Elements, laid the foundation for geometry as we know it today. What is the unit for measuring sound intensity? Consider these options: lumen, watt, or decibel. The correct answer is decibel. Sound intensity is measured in decibels, dB, a logarithmic unit that describes how loud or soft a sound is. What is the capital of New Zealand? Is it Sydney, Wellington, or Auckland? The right answer is Wellington. Wellington, located at the southern tip of New Zealand's North Island, serves as the country's capital city. What does IQ stand for? Options include intelligence quotient, intellectual quality, or information quotient. And the correct answer is intelligence quotient. IQ is a measure of a person's cognitive abilities compared to the average population. In what year did the euro become official currency in the Eurozone? Choose from 1999, 2002, or 2005. The right answer is 2002. Although the euro was introduced in 1999, physical notes and coins entered circulation in 2002. Who wrote the novel Crime and Punishment? Was he Leo Tolstoy, Fyodor Dostoevsky, or Anton Chekhov? The correct answer is Fyodor Dostoevsky. Published in 1866, Crime and Punishment explores themes of morality and guilt through the story of Raskolnikov. Which of these is not a primary color? Choose from red, green, or blue. The answer is green. The three primary colors of light or pigment are red, blue, and yellow. Green is a secondary color created by mixing blue and yellow. What is the most spoken language in Africa? Consider these: French, Swahili, or Arabic. The correct answer is Swahili. Swahili is widely spoken across East Africa and serves as a lingua franca in many African countries. Which country invented tea? Is it Japan, China, or India? The right answer is China. Tea has ancient origins in China, dating back thousands of years, where it was first consumed for medicinal purposes. Which country has the oldest flag? Here are the options: France, Denmark, or USA. The correct answer is Denmark. The Danish flag, known as the Dannebrog, dates back to the 13th century, making it the oldest national flag still in use. What is the largest dinosaur ever discovered? Your choice is T-Rex, Argentinosaurus, or Brachiosaurus. The correct answer is Argentinosaurus. Argentinosaurus is estimated to have reached lengths of up to 100 feet, making it the largest known land dinosaur. What is the largest big cat? The final choices: lion, Siberian tiger, or jaguar. And the correct answer is Siberian tiger. The Siberian tiger, also known as the Amur tiger, is the largest of the big cats, both in length and weight.
Subscribe for more brain-bending quizzes. Share and challenge your friends.
Which modern-day country was once known as Mesopotamia? Is it Egypt, Iran, or Iraq? The correct answer, Iraq. Mesopotamia, often called the cradle of civilization, was located between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Today, that's mostly in Iraq. Who painted the birth of Venus? Your options are Michelangelo, Sandro Botticelli, or Leonardo da Vinci. The answer is Sandro Botticelli. This iconic painting was created during the Italian Renaissance and is one of Botticelli's most celebrated masterpieces. What's the name of the Greek goddess of wisdom? Your choices: Athena, Hera, or Artemis. The right answer is Athena. Athena is known as the goddess of wisdom, war strategy, and crafts in Greek mythology. Who is the Roman equivalent of the Greek god Zeus? Choose from Ares, Jupiter, or Mercury. And the answer is Jupiter. In Roman mythology, Jupiter holds the same role as Zeus in Greek myth, king of the gods and ruler of the skies. What is the capital city of Mongolia? Think about Ulaanbaatar, Tashkent, or Bishkek. The correct answer is Ulaanbaatar. Ulaanbaatar is the largest city in Mongolia and serves as its cultural, political, and economic center. Which philosopher taught Alexander the Great? Your options: Socrates, Aristotle, or Plato. He was Aristotle. Aristotle was a student of Plato and later became the tutor to a young Alexander, shaping one of history's most famous leaders. Which scientist developed the theory of radioactivity and discovered polonium? Here are the possibilities: Marie Curie, Nikola Tesla, or Albert Einstein. The answer is Marie Curie. She was a pioneering physicist and chemist, and the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, twice, in fact. Who invented the printing press? Was he Leonardo da Vinci, Johannes Gutenberg, or Galileo? And the right answer is Johannes Gutenberg. His invention in the 15th century revolutionized the spread of knowledge across Europe and the world. What is the term for animals that carry their young in pouches? Are they marsupials, mammals, or rodents? The correct answer is marsupials. Kangaroos and koalas are classic examples of these unique creatures. Who wrote The Raven? Was he Edgar Allan Poe, Mark Twain, or Robert Frost? And the correct response is Edgar Allan Poe. This haunting poem remains one of the most famous works in American Gothic literature. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? Is it liver, heart, or kidney? The right answer is kidney. Your kidneys play a vital role in removing waste and extra fluid from your blood. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Pick one: South Korea, Japan, or Thailand. The correct one is Japan. This nickname reflects Japan's eastern position relative to the Asian continent. Which Italian city is famous for its Leaning Tower? Is it Rome, Pisa, or Venice? The answer is Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is actually the bell tower of the city's cathedral, and its distinctive tilt is due to unstable ground during construction. Which composer wrote The Four Seasons? Was he Bach, Vivaldi, or Beethoven? The correct answer is Vivaldi. Antonio Vivaldi composed this iconic set of violin concertos in the early 1700s. Which country invented paper? Your choice is Egypt, China, or Greece. And the answer is China. Paper was first invented during the Han Dynasty around 105 AD in Luoyang, China by Tizai Luan, a Chinese court official. What is the only continent without a desert? Here are the options: Europe, South America, or Asia. The continent is Europe. Europe is the only continent that doesn't contain a true desert. Which country is the origin of the car manufacturer Volvo? Is it Germany, Sweden, or Switzerland? The origin country is Sweden. Volvo was founded in Gothenburg, Sweden in 1927. What's the tallest building in the world as of 2025? The possible answers: Shanghai Tower, Burj Khalifa, or Merdeka 118. The correct answer is Burj Khalifa. Standing over 828 meters tall, it dominates the Dubai skyline. Which planet is sometimes called Earth's sister planet? Let's go through the options: Mars, Venus, or Mercury. The correct one is Venus. Venus is called Earth's sister because of its similar size and composition. Which famous structure was built during the reign of Emperor Qin Shi Huang? Is it Great Wall of China, Angkor Wat, or Petra? And the answer is Great Wall of China. Construction began under his rule to defend against northern invasions. Which African country is the most populous? Options include South Africa, Nigeria, or Egypt. The correct answer is Nigeria. With over 200 million people, it's the most populous country in Africa. What is the national flower of Japan? Is it lotus, cherry blossom, or rose? The correct answer is cherry blossom. Also called sakura, it symbolizes the beauty and fragility of life. What is the official language of Egypt? Choose from Arabic, Hebrew, or Persian. The right answer is Arabic. It is the most widely spoken language in the country today. What is the unit of frequency? Is it joule, hertz, or newton? The answer is hertz. Named after Heinrich Hertz, it's used to measure cycles per second. In what country is the ancient city of Petra located? Consider these: Egypt, Jordan, or Syria. The correct one is Jordan. Petra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its rock-cut architecture. Which natural resource is most used for generating nuclear energy? Is it coal, uranium, or zinc? The answer is uranium. Specifically, the uranium isotope uranium-235 is used as fuel in nuclear reactors to produce heat through nuclear fission. What is the longest-running television show in the U.S.? Could it be The Simpsons, Gunsmoke, or Law and Order? The correct choice is The Simpsons. This animated sitcom has been on the air since 1989. What is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea? Is it Crete, Sicily, or Cyprus? And the correct answer is Sicily. Located off the southern coast of Italy, Sicily is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. What is the most visited museum in the world? Pick one: the Met, Louvre, or British Museum. The answer is Louvre. Located in Paris, it's home to the Mona Lisa and many other masterpieces. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? Was it Aztecs, Maya, or Inca? The right answer is Inca. This stunning citadel was built high in the Andes Mountains of Peru.
Quiz complete. How did you do? Comment your score below. Did you ace it? Subscribe for more brain-bending quizzes. Share and challenge your friends. Want harder or easier quizzes? Let me know. Next quiz dropping soon. Turn on notifications.